Welcome to episode 2 of the boat restoration project. I'm rebuilding a 1984 Swiftcraft Seagull MkIII half cabin boat that I bought at auction. I'm working on this project with my dad. In the last video, we went over the boat and ripped up the floor as we found that the old floor had rotted away. In this video, we'll continue ripping out the old floor and tidy up the edges so that it's ready for the new floor to be put down. If you enjoy this video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. First, we're going to cut away the big panel at the front next to where the lockers used to be. Once the front panel was removed, it was time to tidy up the edges of where the old floor was. We've just been cutting away at the edges of where the old floor was. On the starboard side there, you can see it's a little bit neater. Here's what it was like before. So we've just been neatening it up, ready to put the new floor down. As with any project like this, it's just taking a little bit longer than we thought, but we're happy to spend the time and do it properly, do a good job, because I think we'll be much happier later on. Here's the back of the boat. That's the sump there. We're finding it a little bit harder to cut away at the back here. The bottom of the floor has been reinforced with fibreglass, whereas further forwards in the boat that wasn't the case. And also it's quite tricky to reach under the deck. Here's a look at the back. We decided to keep this piece here as it looked like it was in good condition and adds support to the transom. To finish off the work at the front, I cut out the section where the lockers used to be. As I was tidying up the edges of the old floor up at the front, I accidentally cut through the bottom of the boat. You can see the daylight there. And I've done it again up here. What I've done is circled them in marker pen so I can come back and fill the holes later. The old floor is now out, ready for the new floor to be put in. For the new floor, we're going to be using 2 sheets of marine ply, cut down so that the new floor goes in 4 sections. More about this in a later video. To get a better understanding of the transom, we drilled an inspection hole. Thankfully, all we found was a thick layer of glass and foam and the wood on the inside to be dry. This is good news as it means we don't have to replace a transom. I've taken off the bilge pump Here it is. I'm just going to run a test to see if the bilge pump is still working. We should be able to hear it. That's good. So this is having to get a new one. I've put the bilge pump in a bucket just to do a test to see if the pump will actually shift water. There we go. It's definitely working. Working on the boat. And there's a little bird here. We made some good progress cutting out the old floor so that the new floor can now be laid. If you have any questions about the project, please leave them in the comment section below and we'll answer them for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. In the next video, we'll have a look at the engine and see if we can get it started.
Dad, I'm videoing.